Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about cut and sew prototyping. So there's lots of different ways to actually prototype your cut and sew project. The nice thing about these is it's a soft fabric, so you can pretty much do it at home. But there's some real advantages if you're doing new product design to work with an engineer or a product design firm who knows what they're doing and can build you a really nice prototype. So I'll show you here. We were designing a hat that enables females to wear the hat over their hairstyles. So it has to work with a ponytail, pigtails, braids, things like that. So this was our first prototype. You can see here it's literally paper. It's stapled together with a home stapler. And what this did is it gave us the first look, function, and feel. And because we made it out of paper, we were able to actually trace the lines where the snaps were going to go for the product and where the folds were going to be for the fabric. So this is kind of how we started. And then we move on to a hat that we bought off the market that we then modified. So this hat actually has the snaps that were used glued into it, right? So this gives us real look, function, and feel of what the final product's probably going to look like. And this is what we actually sent to the manufacturer to have a quote made. So they would know exactly what they were working with, and then this is the final product. Looks very similar to the last one, but you can see here the snaps are slightly different. They're a little larger snap, and the finished product looks a lot better than the original hat that we used. So if you want to have the design work done, there's a company called Focus Product Design, which is really cool. They do all your design work. They can help you with your prototyping. They have an in-house prototyping studio, and they actually do manufacturing. So the cool thing is when Focus is designing your product, for example, the snaps I showed you first that were really small and black, and you probably couldn't see them on camera, those were really expensive. You know, we looked at them and said, oh, they're 2 cents each. That's not bad. Well, Focus's engineers have done so much product design work that when they looked at that, and they got the manufacturing specs back, that they knew that those were overpriced. So we were able to use these larger, more functional snaps that we can source for less than a penny each. So it ends up saving us lots of money, considering that there are 16 of them on every hat. So that significantly helped our cost of goods, right? So there's some really good importance with working with a designer who's familiar with manufacturing and can actually design for manufacturing. The other thing is they did all our prototyping. So every time we wanted to make a change, the designer was in the room next door and was able to make the change right then and there. So if you want more information on Focus, who is now doing all our manufacturing, I'm going to post a link right here at the bottom of this YouTube video. Just go check them out, and you can find more info on their website. Thanks for watching, guys.